Good day everyone. So in this video I'm going to share with you how did I find this client over here come out to do the roof cleaning. So this client here received a letter from the insurance company and about to lose their home insurance policy because the insurance company noticed that their roof has moss and algae growth. So because of lack of maintenance, so they haven't cleaned the roof for many years, so that moss and algae build up over time, and the insurance company noticed that, so they sent out a letter and about to cancel the policy. So homeowner, this client, called us out to take a look. We saw how much moss and algae on this roof over here. Yes, it is a tile roof, but still, if you don't maintain it, it will have that moss and algae roll, and you could potentially lose your home insurance policy. So we did the cleaning on this roof over here. We we clear off the majority of moss and algae with basic tool for roof cleaning. Doesn't need a lot of fancy tool. You can clear off the moss and algae with the simple brush that I use in this over here, and also with the blower. It's super simple. You don't need a lot of equipment to do the roof cleaning, and also with the ladder to get up in the roof. So basic tool, ladder, brush, and the blower, leaf blower. You can, in this one I use the electric one. You may get the gas one, either one, whatever tool that you use. So these are the basic tools that you can use to clear off the roof. And also after you blow it off the roof, you will clear off the gutter as well. You don't want to just leave all those moss and algae in the gutter that could potentially clog the gutter. Now later on, it looked pretty bad. You look bad to the customer, to the client, because you did a good job. So I clear off the gutters, and then after this, I apply the cleaning solution to kill off the remaining moss and algae growth on the roof, and it looks amazing after that. It's clear off moss and algae. The solution kill off the remaining moss and algae growth. Then took before and after picture. The homeowner, the client, sent it to the insurance company, and they was able to keep their insurance policy because they just had the roof cleaning, and so in the insurance company that they did maintain the roof, maintain their home. So tip of the day, a simple cleaning goes a long way.